Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about the top gainers for the last week. These stocks have exploded. Many of them are having big pullbacks right now as they are overbought and facing the overall market conditions that have been turning more bearish with a little bit more bearishness to go. Make sure that you are moving carefully and accordingly. When you have bearish divergence coming in, you like to get your rounds of puts, shorts, and or hold off until the next rounds of bullish divergence comes in and they are looking to be buying the markets back. Here in the market opening tomorrow, you will get a quick round of the bullishness back towards overbought for you 15-minute chart traders and quicker day traders, but will still be looking more bearish in general for longer term traders and longer term investors. Okay, but we'll get more deeper into that in just 1 second, and let's just get into it now with the Btct coming in for a quick round of the bearish divergence as this thing has become overbought from the lows of $1.61 up to the highs of $28.60, sitting here right now at $19. Just a bit of bearishness coming in, and it looks like it's starting to build up some support down there, but that support can be broken instantly as you do have, like I just said, more bearishness coming in with about 4,300 decliners and about 2,000 advancers. They've been selling things more off for the last few days, affecting Btct as well. With an average volume of 3.21 million and a current volume of 6.50 million, we're about to watch this volume slow down, and Btct will be coming in for some quicker dips until this RSI touches down towards the middle range, and you're looking for a more clear round of bullish divergence to come in on your 15-minute chart. That is super extremely choppy down here right now. If I go show you Btct back on your overall 4-hour chart, and we'll see towards the beginning of the month about Btct as we were getting the early alerts for this thing as it was getting spammed out by the volume ticker and then getting picked up as a parabolic play for a massive bull run. From the lows of even those $4 on Btct going into the highs of $28, you could have seen that thing in time on the first given day from the explosion. It will get many more alerts to go out for Btct as this thing will continue to pop up, become a parabolic play. The parabolic scan bot is in the premium traders category up there, where it's throwing out all of the stocks that are going parabolic. You want to catch those things for the big breakouts, and you see these things going from $1 like BCTC all the way up to the highs of $28, becoming the top gainer for multiple days in a row with multiple alerts going out. You see those things on time. Now we are going to see it start to slow down because it was getting a little bit more bullish in these last few days, along with the overall markets that were bullish with the Trump presidency and all that stuff like that, and a lot of good cryptocurrency news. And we'll talk more about the cryptocurrencies here later on. For those of you who are newer to bankability, I do also make cryptocurrency videos for you guys on our cryptocurrency channel. And I do have a cryptocurrency section for you to follow along with all of the crypto alerts that go out telling you when to buy and when to sell. More information on that here in just 1 second. Right now on BTC, for you who don't know what this is primarily engaged in Bitcoin mining. Okay, and if you've been hearing me talk a lot more about Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrencies and diving in deeper, lots of people are already joining NRR Bitcoin Miners Club, where we are all mining Bitcoin nonstop all day, every single day. It's like a full-on party in the Bitcoin Miners Club. And come in, and you'll be seeing my updates when I'm adding in extra packages and stuff like that. And you can let us know what your updates are as well, as we are all doing this together, watching our portfolios all build together. It's easy money. We know what you're going for. And literally, it's the same setup, the same strategy every single trade. I was talking about these cryptocurrencies earlier on. I wonder if you guys were following along with me first starting to make our crypto videos. And I was saying now is the time to be getting a crypto miner. We're gonna start to see a lot of crypto mining activity. And now when we're all getting in, we're starting to see a lot of these crypto mining stocks starting to explode. There's even a few more of them that we'll talk more about later on in another crypto mining video. Next, we got CERO. Again, same setup and same strategy every single trade. You want to be in early. You want to be in at the bottom. We got this thing that went from the bottom of 6 cents all the way up to the highs of 34 cents for a huge explosion. Okay, and then we'll have a quick pullback. Notice how it didn't sell all the way back off. Just some quick rounds of swing traders and day traders locking gains where it picks up support. off his last big bounce. All those people who bought up there sold right back off before going again for another round, and even more people bought up to add in that extra pressure. But they got so extremely overbought that it sold off very fast. This was amidst a bearish day as well. Just the overall markets being bearish is going to drag things down in general, but still coming in for a massive bull run. Again, these stocks are the last five. These are the top gainers for the last week, up thousands, if not hundreds of percents. Watch out for these stocks down at. Hold on, I'll show you this for nothing. Down at the bottom, you start to get all that volatility coming in. If it's coming in for a dip, you know you can always get that dip right back up if that thing touches back down towards oversold, because oversold is going to turn right back into overbought either way it goes. And this one right here getting up to 1.17 billion in volume on Cero. We were getting the early Cero alerts going out along in the Bank of Mobility Discord. This has been a very active stock with multiple coaches throwing out alerts for Cero, locking in great gains. And again, you just see the alerts on time and you just follow along. We are letting you know what these things are about to do. It's all about catching them early. You want to catch them at the beginning if you can. And if you don't catch it at the beginning, just don't chase it up. You can always just hold off. You can always just hold off for just a bit, and then wait for that next dip to come in. But again, it's all about seeing those things where we are in the Discord, so you can watch out for these things. Back even before this month started, saying this one's going to be coming in for that move, and next thing you know, all following along with those alerts, you find yourself up hundreds of percents for an easy bull run. Next, you got MVST coming from 15 cents to $1.20. We'll go see MVST along in the Discord as well. As this one is going to be a more active one, is going to hold up very well. And we were also getting early alerts from the coaches in the Discord letting us know MVST getting ready to make that move. Don't miss out on this. And we will continue to keep these things updated as they become the most active stocks on the market. And for those of you who haven't noticed yet, I split up our channels. We now have our Banking with Billy's breakouts where we're talking about our top stocks and most actives and stuff like in 52-week lows. And you guys can request your stocks. And on our original Banking with Billy channel, we'll be talking about our top trending things and keeping that channel in the algorithm. There are a couple other bankability YouTubers, Coach Prim. DGF man puts out some of his alerts. He's doing like live street interviews to people and stuff like that. You guys can go ahead and check out some of those things going on. And we do also have Coach Bear, who is putting out his alerts and updating his videos as well, somewhere along in his section. And any of you would like to join in on the YouTube team, I know you might be newer to the YouTube and in the stock alerts and all the stuff like that, but you're always welcome to join in on this with us, and I can show you how all of this is done, and we can grow all of these different things together if you want to create these different types of passive incomes and different kinds of entities. If those of you who want to know what some more things that I've been working on lately, so what I did here is I've dismantled our Bitcoin and Beyond Discord, and I refused that back into the Banking with Billy Discord. So this is now a section that you guys who get cryptocurrency can go upgrade to down in the Bitcoin and Beyond section for the same type of hot alerts that we are always putting out. You already know how that goes. And if you don't see it on time, just don't go for it. But we'll start to be able to rally in on that and bank with Billy as well. And we also plan on expanding on some more of our digital asset clubs. For example, we have our Miners Club and our Atlas Earth Club. Bring in these different passive revenues, looking to add in a few more of those as well. And I was earlier just working on our website. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick peek at that as well, our bankability website. And we are also getting ready to add in our mailing list. What I'm going to do is, for those of you who don't understand Discord and feel a little bit overwhelmed with all the people that be talking and stuff like that and all the alerts going out, and only just specifically want to just follow along with what I have going on, but you don't want to be a part of the Bankability Discord, you can still get all of my stock alerts and crypto alerts telling you when to buy and when to sell on time, which will now be through our emailing list. If you guys, whoever signs up, when people sign up for the emailing list, you will automatically get the update on when I'm buying something and when I'm selling something and giving your price targets as usual. Okay, this will be for those of you again who don't understand the Discord, and a lot of people maybe prefer emails and stuff like that, maybe a bit more. Okay, we'll also upgrade and expand to SMS messages and lots more to work on. Check out the Bankability website. Share this thing out somewhere. Lots and lots of stuff that I've been working on. And as you guys know, I've decided to just pretty much be running Bankability as a 24/7 live stock analyst server, which is why you guys which is why you guys see me now 24/7, 24/7 in the classroom. I tell you, I've always been active in the Discord for you guys and whatnot. I've never been one of those guys to just, make it all, put the alert out, and then just leave you hanging. You always see me. I'm always active for the reason to make sure that you all can succeed. Whether I'm putting out alerts and making videos or not, I'ma still succeed. I'm still gonna be getting all my stock alerts. You know what I mean? Because I got all those in the Discord, and I'm still gonna be doing my same set of my same strategy every single trade. I make sure to put out my alerts on time and keep these things updated on time, and even make sure that you even remember to lock in games and settle somewhere when you get nervous. And I make sure to literally sit in the classroom 24/7 all day and all night, so you guys can have the chance to succeed and never miss out on anything. Whether you're trying to get a stock right now, I know you're trying to get a crypto right now, you need a lesson right now, you're trying to start building up your business, you need somebody to sure help you do this or do. I'm here 24/7, not only for stocks and cryptos and alerts, also to give live counseling, to give you guys full sessions on everything that you could ever possibly need. I'm here for you. If nobody ever been here for you, I'm here for you to succeed on all of that. Join in on Banking with Billy Discord, and not only will you be able to get my aid and my assistance, not only in all our crypto and all our stock alerts, but in everything else you could possibly want to go along in life. And if you want to become a full-time investor, join in our full-time investor section, and I will put in everything as I am to make sure that you are 100% of the time getting these full-time percentages too easy. I digress though. Let's continue. Oh yeah. Before we do continue on, crypto market still looking a bit choppy here. I am gonna go make another crypto video updating the cryptos and what's going on, stuff like that later on. Lots of stuff I'm working on right now, but on our new channel now, the new Banking with Billy Breakouts channel, now here you guys can request tickers and stuff like that. So again, so that'll be cool as well. But let's next we got MUPULM, the Pulm Matrix. What is this even? This is a biopharmaceutical company focused on development of novel inhaled therapeutic products. Okay, that's pretty cool. We'll check that out here, and we'll look deeper into that in just 1 second. Well, for the lows about that $2, even lower than that, up to the highs about that 787 before they came for a quick dip and then reversed back up pretty clean. You notice that on your 15-minute chart for that quick dip that you could have bought back up when they came in for that next round of the bullish divergence. With an average volume of 384,000, they do have a current volume right now getting up to 5.37 million and a free float on 3.65 million float getting filled pretty easy on PULM, making them primed to come in for even more bullishness. We'll go see the PULM over in the Banking with Billy Discord. Now here we can see early alerts going out for PUL. I mean, this is a bigger stock right here, so look at that. They halting on merger news. They must have news coming out about a merger. There was another one, man. What was it? There was another stock. In fact, I could just go type in merger. You can just literally go type in merger into the Discord, and you'll be able to see every stock that's getting ready to come out with an upcoming merger and all that stuff like that. And then you'll be able to, use that to your advantage. Um, like I said, you want to see them on time. And this is why we have this type of stuff in here for you. So you'll be able to see all the stocks that are coming out with the upcoming mergers and whatnot. So you can get all those tons. You can be the first one to everything in Bank with Billy. You're the first one to every single thing that's happening. All you gotta do is just look for it. All you gotta do is just be able to see it on time. Okay, all you gotta do is just be able to have your phone handy. So when we put out an alert talking about we're gonna be buying these at these prices, we're gonna be selling those at those prices or whatever's going on, then you're able to get this alert because it goes to the members' phones as notifications, so you never miss out on anything. And again, for those of you who don't understand Discords, understand the new technologies and stuff like that, you can always make sure that you get over once again to sign up for our emailing list. Again, it's not just set up just yet, okay? But I'm up when I do have it all set up in a website, all set up and everything. I'm gonna have these links down in the description below. And as you guys see, and as you always have seen, I work very hard to make sure that not only I'm expanding on banking ability, but making sure I'm making sure I'm keeping up with my own studies, along with keeping up, helping you keep up with yours, make sure you can keep up with your goal of becoming a full-time trader and investor. And it's you got it way easier than I ever have. In the beginning of my days and whatnot, I didn't have all the accurate alert sections that's been tested for years. I didn't have a Discord full of coaches and stuff like that are just they're just willing to spend 24 hours a day and night willing to give me live alerts and live lessons and all that. I didn't have all these luxuries that you guys have. You got to wager. So if I can do it, I know for a fact that you can do it. There ain't no excuses why you can't. Because we back when I started out back when I know a lot of you know my story. You know back when I started out, same thing. I was working that job, barely getting any money because the job wasn't enough, bills and rent, all that good stuff like that. Y'all remember my old videos? We used to talk about those bills and rent all the time. Like I say, if I used to, if I could make this happen, anybody can. All you gotta do is have a natural consistency. And again, I tell you what I'm going for. I'm about to be going for the algo breakouts in the Discord, telling me what to catch. I'm finna now. I tell y'all, guys, we're starting to progress into those options. You ever I started making those options videos? Every single step of my journey, I've documented in videos and in Discords. There's no reason why anybody shouldn't be on the same level as I am if you've been following along with the same trends that I have for the last few years on these same videos. Because everything I do and everything that happens on the market is literally broken down for you guys in these videos and in the Discord with thousands. We talking thousands of people in bankability that are literally doing this full time and here for you guys. Anybody can join on bankability. Make sure that you take. I'm telling you, like you got the advantage now, And I don't do it like all those other YouTubers and all those other Discords over there where they just throw some stuff out and then leave you hanging and stuff like that. You don't know what's going on. I'm throwing out that alert. I'm making that video. I'm putting out that news. I'm guiding you guys, and I'm sitting here 24/7 saying, if you got any questions, any concerns, any recommendations, if you need any accommodations, if you whatever you need to succeed in life, I'm here to make you do it. I'm here to help you do it. You know, there's no reason why anybody shouldn't be able to become a full-time trader in banking with Billy at all. There is no excuse to it because I'm here making sure that you can. MFH. Again, I'll show you MFH. I don't say this stuff for nothing. Look at MFH. This one goes from what's that, $1 up to $6. We'll go type in MFH. MFH alerts. No MFH alerts going out. This one is under the table. I mean, under the radar with only 300,000 and 300,000 in volume. Most under the radar stocks, most people don't start noticing and picking up stocks until they start to get bigger in that volume. But one thing about the low stat stocks move a lot cleaner. So MFA stock should definitely be holding up a lot easier than a lot of these other ones on this list. But one thing to remember though, like keep in mind, we do got the markets that are coming in for much bearishness right now. And if the markets don't start to come in for more bullishness, like coming into the next week, it's going to add to a very, very, very bearish sentiment where more people are just going to want to just get out of there and, avoid what they have going on and stuff like that. It's all about timing. That's really what it just comes down to. Just all about that timing. You get your timing right, then you're all fine. You don't really got to worry about too much. But guys, many stocks for us to talk about down that list. We'll just only get to the top five as we do have more videos and alerts stuff like that to be talking about. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Later on, I am about to go update the 52-week lows and our current holdings as well for you guys. So make sure you see those in time. Hey, this is the start of a new week. So if you've been, having a rough time or whatever you got going on, you can always join us in the Banker with Billy Discord anytime, and to get the alerts, or even just meet me in my Banker with Billy classroom for free, 24/7, and I will make sure that you get that trade. If you're finna catch a stock alert, bro, you can literally just jump in the classroom and say, "Hey, Billy, I'm finna catch this. Can you make sure I succeed in this?" And you know what I mean? It's really that simple. But I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trading.